How to enable Chrome's reading mode. I'm Huey Poplock. Chrome's reading mode simplifies web pages, removes ads, and makes articles easier to read. Enable it by going to Chrome's flags page. Reading online content can be a frustrating experience. Websites are often littered with intrusive ads, which can make it difficult to focus on the content. While we understand that ads are necessary to support these websites, they can be too much of a good thing. The business of online publishing is a delicate balance. On one hand, websites need to generate revenue from ads in order to survive. On the other hand, too many ads can alienate readers and drive them away. There is no easy solution to this problem. However, I believe that it's important to find a balance between supporting websites and minimizing the impact of ads. I encourage you to consider using a less aggressive ad blocker or whitelisting websites that you support. However, Google's got an awesome new answer for us. It's a smart system that empowers you to view a sane, sensible, and even enjoyable version of any web page you're viewing. It will be free from ads and other distractions and optimized for easy reading. It will even be customizable. If you want to take control of exactly which fonts, colors, and spacing settings are present, and despite all of that, it will still technically allow ads to be shown and the page's full original form to load at the same time, whether or not you actively view it. Google actually announced the new Chrome reading mode feature back in March, but the version of Chrome that includes it still hasn't rolled out broadly, which means most of us are still stuck waiting. That Chrome version is currently scheduled to start making its way into the world soon for most desktop operating systems, and following it will be the version for Chromebooks. Here's the secret to enabling Chrome's reading mode now, no matter what kind of computer you're using. The reading mode in Chrome streamlines web pages for easy reading. To enable it, access Chrome's flags, search Enable Reader Mode, and enable the feature. So this is step by step, and I will show you some screenshots of this. Open up Chrome on your computer. Type Chrome://flags into the browser's address bar. Type reading mode into the search box at the top of the screen that comes up. See the line labeled reading mode. Click it and click the box next to it and change its setting from default to enabled. Click the blue restart button at the bottom of the screen and you're all set. So at the top left, you'll see you type in Chrome://flags. It will then take you to where you have to fill in the search box and type in reading mode. It will take you to the reading mode. It will be default. You want to change the default to enabled, as I have in the top left. And once you do that, you'll then have the reading list in which when you click on it, it will give you the reading mode. So here is a sample page. We've clicked on the reading mode and we're seeing it on the right hand side, plus the regular web page on the rest of the page. What the nice thing about this is, here it is again, full screened, but you'll notice two little lines, and I'll try to move my arrow here, and hopefully you'll see that. There's two little lines that you can click and drag this over so you can find that it will fill up more of the page than the part that has the ads in it. You can also change the font, and you can change the background. You can change the space between the letters. So there's a lot you can do with the reading mode. The benefits you can enable Chrome reading mode to focus on the content of a web page without distractions. This feature improves readability and reduces eye strain. Chrome's Reader Mode lets you customize your reading experience. You can adjust text size, font, and background color for maximum comfort. That's how to enable Chrome's Reading Mode. I'm Huey Poplock.